What's up, everybody? Today we've got a 2017 Ford Fusion. I'm going to show you how to access the infotainment system, or rather just how to remove this console trim and the trim around your infotainment and heater controls. So what you're going to want to do is get your hand up here around the lip of this thing. I've already popped it loose, but just by grabbing here and my other hand in here and lifting up, you got this popped loose. Now you could continue on around it and remove the whole thing if you'd like, but just to get up in here, and there's going to be a couple plugs under here that are easy to remove, but just to access this, this is far enough. All right, now you can come to this side piece, and these will remove. It's a little easier if you use a hook tool, which I'm going to grab to pop this brown piece to the side here. All right, so I'll leave a link in the description for some cheap hook tools and trim removal tools. $5 or $10 gets you some pretty cool stuff to help you out with this without damaging things. So on the back side, you can see they're just little push clips, and the same with your console here, your console trim. Just go down into those slots. All right, so now we've got that loose. You can go ahead and just pull on this. It should pop loose just like that. Same thing there. It's got these plastic push clips. Just go into those slots. All right, so this is, you've got that loose enough. You can kind of just twist and wiggle that out. Jump over to the other side and do the same thing. All right, so I removed these side pieces all the way. You can see right there. And there's two bolts for this console right there, and one right there. They look like a 6 or an 8 millimeter. I'm gonna pop those off and go ahead and take this off so you can see that. But first, I went ahead and just continue to pull and pop these one at a time so you don't break it. And you can remove that piece, and now you've got access to your. I'm here to fix this thing here. This is just needs to be reattached down tighter. It's like this one. It's flipped up outside that trim where you can see it, but now you can get to this infotainment system. You can see there's mounting bolts back in there. Got some here if you're gonna take your console apart further. But now we'll go ahead and show you this console trim piece. I'm using a 9/32 socket and socket wrench. All right. Give it the old pop, and that folds over to the side. Now if you want to remove these plugs, you're gonna have a little, press that inward, and it'll release it. Pull out at the same time, like so. Right here, click back in, and same with the other one. A little release right there. Pull it out at the same time. All right, you guys. Hope that helped you out. Got you access into your console and your infotainment, stereos, and HVAC system. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.